Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where OneDrive is blocked by firewall settings or browser plugins, then please watch this video. Now, in this post, I am specifically referring to OneDrive.com and not the OneDrive on your system, though that can also be blocked by firewall. But we are talking about this OneDrive website. So, if that is the case, then, which is quite possible, then our first approach should be to test it in incognito mode. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, new incognito mode, and try opening OneDrive. I'll tell you why, because in the incognito mode, all extensions will be disabled, thus, you will be able to isolate the case. The next solution will be to disable plugins. And how will you disable plugins? So, here's what you have to do. Click on these three dots at the top right corner in the normal window. Select extensions and click on manage extensions. If you find any security related extension here, disable it. Check if it helps. If yes, then remove it because it will be a problem later as well. And finally, you can consider disabling firewall. So search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar and open Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn it off and then click on OK. Although this has to be done temporarily. Access OneDrive, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, turn it on back again and click on OK so that you remain secure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.